Google AdWords is still the Mac daddy as far as e-commerce goes, certainly for direct-to-consumer e-commerce anyway. You could argue that Amazon PPC is fast catching up, but as far as DTC goes, Google's your man or lady. So with that being said, it makes sense to find out as much as possible about your competitors' strategies that they're utilizing on Google and to see what you can learn from them, and indeed get ideas for things you can copy into other marketplaces too. So in this video, I've got a great hack for you that will allow you to see all of your competitors' Google AdWords ads. With that being said, let's go. You want to know what your competitors are doing. Google's just introduced something where you have to get your business verified. And if you do get your business verified, it allows you to run your ads in this area here in the Google shopping area, which is a really cool thing to do. Hopefully we're going to get Megan to talk about setting up Google shopping ads soon for you. But suffice to say, because of that, it's meant that there's opened up I don't know if it's a loophole, but something that you're now able to do with Google Ads that you were never, ever able to do. So here's a Google Ads. So go to Google right now and Google your particular thing. You'll see some Google Ads. And then you see the little pointy down arrow. I don't know the correct term for it, which is why this ad. And it tells you all this information, okay? Well, some of those advertisers who have got their businesses registered, so they want to start running Google Shopping ads. If they do that, you can then get that coming up. See more ads by this advertiser. Okay, so just like in Facebook where they show you all the ads, you can now get that in Google. So this is all from this company, Freshly Cosmetics, and I can now see all of the ads that this particular business is running. So not only their search ads, but also their what's called display ads as well. So I can see their display ads that are happening as well. It's very, very cool. Let's just click on that one. I really, really like this. Go Google your niche and see what you can find out. There is, I should say as well, there is software that will do this for you, okay? But that's paid software. There's quite a few that we used to use, for instance, to go look at Google Ads. That's paid software, typically in the order of around about $150 a month to get access to that. But here, it's just here and it's all for free now, okay? So super, super cool. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of professional e-commerce sellers, over 2,500 of us and growing. We're the fastest growing e-commerce community right around the world with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do, and also, of course, come and join us, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the chat, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe. See you next time.